I wasn't actually around for the Fed decision. I was actually at my daughter's concert, but I was long this pound yen from this level here, about the 878, 880 level, and kept my stop out of trouble. My target was 150, just under 150, so got that target. So 120 odd points in the bank when I wasn't even at my screen, which is nice. Incredibly volatile, and Dow is just chewed up. It's all very bullish up here, all pullbacks, even some big red bars here were bought. Lots of blue on that chart until we get to the Fed announcement, and that just fell out of the sky. Now this Euro US, I did actually try and short this earlier in the day. I saw this reversal bar here at 395, took it a little short, didn't give it any room. As you can see, managed to stop down because it reversed me out. Did a little stop run just above that resistance. Sorry, excuse me, and it absolutely fell through the floor. So let's just go through the day. Let's start with this euro because it's just quite some drop. So we need to short a pullback to 335, that fib level. That needs to come down to these levels here now. On the pound US dollar, I'd like to see 155.65. On the, let's have a look, Aussie US. Wow, what a drop. What a drop. It's broken down through this low on the 11th of July. And so let's just concentrate on the pound and euro US. On the yen pairs, that looks as if that could break down. Let me see. I would stand aside from that at the moment. Just let this settle. Because if we do start closing higher in the next day or two, I still would look for that to come higher. But we're seeing a lot of strength in the dollar, and that is affecting the yen as well. The yen is incredibly volatile. At this stage, it's worth staying out of the way. Oil was probably the least affected. Shows you how bullish it was. Everything was charging around. That's certainly a reversal signal. New high, close above, close below next day. That is, with the strength in the dollar, that is going to come under serious threat. So if we can get a pullback to 80, it's a 98.20 area, that is a short. Let's look at the US dollar yen, because that actually, that's a very bullish chart. US dollar yen has benefited big time from that push up. So I would be a buyer of US dollar yen at 96, 95.80 if I can get it. US dollar CAD, phenomenal move to the upside. That is well worth a pullback to 102.40 if we can get it. Okay, so we've had some big waves to the upside. On the fibs, we pulled back to this area here, 101.67. Looked as if we were holding. Spent a couple of days not doing too much, and then wham. So I would expect that to get up to 104 plus. Okay, let's look at some stocks. Obviously the UK was shut when all this was going on, so just be very wary. It's a nasty jolt. So we didn't look at the Dow. It was all looking rosy, and then that's a huge big down day. So Dow is a short at 15,200 if we can get it down to the monthly pivot, right on the monthly pivot there. Let's see what that does. So if we can, I would, even though we're above the 50 EMA there, I would still want to get short up there. Right, a couple of bellwether stocks in the US. Let's just see what they've done. Bank of America. That's certainly a bearish signal. That engulfing bar there. Goldman Sachs. That's not nice at all. Apple. I did try a long on Apple, but I didn't do my homework properly enough because that was definitely selling at 434. And that's closed below that S1. So I took a small stop out on that one. Over ambitious on that one. Not doing my homework properly. Okay, I hope that helps and see you next update.